Hello, good morning. I am Sudarshan Nayak. Welcome you my YouTube channel Research Kit for Physics. So resume and start the last topic detail. Our last topic was gravitation. Okay, this is the last topic, and we know that all the planet revolves around the sun. Okay, sun is the powerful area where the sun is situated. It is the center of our galaxy, Milky Way, center of our solar system, not Milky Way. Let's know about our Milky Ways. Okay, Milky Ways is like a spiral galaxy that is like this, and this is the spiral, but there are two arms stretching outward direction like this. Like this. Like this is the stretching arm, stretching arm. This is our galaxy. This is Milky Way. Milky Way. The light year. This is the light year. The light year is just 1 lakh. 1 lakh to 2 lakh. 2 lakh light years. What is light year? Light year is nothing but the light travel throughout the year. We consider our year, 1 year is 365 days. 1 year. 1 year equal to 365 days. 1 days. Our rotation. Our Earth is rotated on axis. The duration of 24 hours. One half of 24 is day, and another half of 24 is night. Day and night. When the Earth revolves around the sun. How much revolves? Sun. This is the revolve around the sun. So suppose that this is the sun and this is the distance 150 million kilometer. How it come? X equal to what? This is the distance between this one. We know that light, the velocity of light, we know that c equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. That is 2.998 meter per into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. This is the approximate value of this digit. And time, the time light reaches on the surface of the earth, that is 8 minutes and 20 seconds. Time reaches to the surface of earth, that is 8 minutes 20 seconds. 8 minutes plus 20 seconds. What is 8 minutes? 8 into 60 second plus 20 second. And when we calculate this one is 60 48 second plus 20 second, that is 50 second. This 50 second, the velocity of light, we know that. Now we find out the distance between the sun and third planet of our solar system. Our third planet is Earth. Here is Venus, here is Mercury, and this is third is Earth. The distance is like this. X we have to find. We know that the distance x equal to, distance is formula of distance. Distance equal to velocity and time. Velocity and time. Suppose that V is c, that is c t into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, and this is time taken by the light to reach the earth, that is 500 second. Now we put the value of this one, that is 3 into 10 to the power 8 and 500, this is 500 second, okay, 500 second, and velocity is this 1 meter per second. We not putting the value of unit because here is the distance unit at last we put. This is 1500 into 10 to the power 8, and this is distance is measure meter. Meter is the SI unit of distance. This is the digit, okay. This is the digit, okay. This is a meter, and 150 into 10, okay, 10 to the power 8 meter, that is called, okay, here is 150 into 10 to the power 1 plus 8, that is 9 meter, and meter is converted into kilometer, that is 150 into 10 to the power 6 into 10 to the power 3 meter, and this meter is known as 1 kilometer meter. And now we calculate this one x. What is the x value of the distance between the sun, center of the sun to the center of the earth? The distance between them is 150 million kilometer. Here is 150, it is kilometer, this is 110 to the power 6 kilometer, and this is 150 million kilometer distance within, and it is rotate around the sun, rotate around the sun. It is high speed. You can say that 67,000 miles hour rotate around the sun, and its on axis is 67.6 kilometer per hour, okay. So we wrap this one, then we calculate more things, okay. Earth is rotates. We are just introducing about the nature of the earth in our galaxy, in our universe, in our atmosphere. So in the physical world, the behavior of the earth in the physical world. Our galaxy, our solar system is solar system is like this: Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. So here is moving around the sun. Here is also like this. This is the galaxy part of the galaxy, and this is called solar system. The light years. What is light year? Light year. What is light years? The light travel in the space, in the vacuum, highest speed, vacuum, in the vacuum, light travel in the vacuum, that is called highest 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. If the light travel throughout the year, 365 days, travel at 365 days, and days is converted into second. 365 into 24 days, and day is converted into second. 365 into 24 into 1 day. 1 day is called 60 into 60. Day is day, the 24 day, and 1 day, that is called second. Okay, 24 days, 24 hour, that is called 24 hour. 1 day is called 24 hour. Okay, an hour is converted into second. Okay, this is now we calculating this big digit, 365 into 24 into 60 into 60. Then we get 3153600.00. This is the point. This is called second, and this second turn, this right, this point is brought left side. Whenever we brought left side, whatever digit, but that if there is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, then it will be plus 7. Okay, it will be plus 7. So here is this is the year, this is the year, this is the 1 year, and this is called 3.1536 into 10 to the power 7. This is second, and this is how much? This is for 1.154 into 10 to the power 7 second. We have to find out the 1 second. 1 second is how much here? That is called 3, like this. This is very important. We are study about the nature of the earth, so we goes through detail, we goes through whatever we know about the physical nature of the earth. This is called 1 second. Okay, all the digit, this digit brought left side. 1 year is here, and then here 1 year is here, and this is called, this is 365 days, and this term is brought this side. This is 3.154 into 10 to the power 7. Therefore, how much? This is 1.3.15, sorry, it is 1 by 3.154 into 10 to the power 7 year. Okay, this is 1 second. Now we convert into the light years. When the light travel throughout the year, 365 days according to Earth days. So here is a velocity of light, c. Velocity of light, c. Velocity of light is 3 into 10 to the power 8 second. Okay, that is called second. That is second, meter per second. 1 second is how much? Like this one, meter per second. This second is like this. Put the value of this one, 3 into 10 to the power 8. Okay, this is minus, this is the year. 1 year's equal to like this, and this is minus 365 days. Okay, now calculate this one. There is something mistake. Now we recheck this one. 365 days, 24, this one. Okay, it will be okay, but here is about this 65 days meter per second, and this is a meter. Okay, this is velocity of light through the year, and it will be something 1 year. Okay, 1 year. There is something 1 year. There's something there. Multiply this one, 3.154. There will be minus. There will be minus 1. This one is brought to the. Okay, this is the year. This is the year. 1 year. Second, and second it converted into the year. So the converted into the year, then it will be the minus 1 year equal to converted into what? Yes. Okay, that's it. It is a very calculating this one. Let recheck this one. Travel at 365 days. Velocity, suppose that velocity v into time, and travel distance is covered throughout the day, year at the respect of year. Distance is travel at the respect of year, that is 3 into 10 to the power 8, and the time is respect to this second, this one. Okay, this second 1 year, this second plus 1. Okay, now we put the value of time at the respect of 1 year. 1 year is how much second? This is 60, this is second, and this one is called meter per second, and 3.154 into 10 to the power 7 second, and this is meter per second. So meter per second, second is cancel, second year. Okay, now it is just correct this one. Okay, we know that S equal to v into t, v the velocity of light and t the time. Time is nothing but it is the throughout the year. 1 year is how much second? 1 year we know that the 1 year is how much second? Like this. Oh, extraordinary written year. 1 year. This is 1 year is equal to how much second? 3.154 into 10 to the power 7 second. This is 7 second. This is cancel second, and now this calculate the value of this one, and 2, 5, 6, 4, 9 into 10 to the power 8 plus 7. This is meter, and this is called 9.46 into 10 to the power 15 meter, and this is 9.5 into 10 to the power 15 meter is called light years. When the light travel through the years, according to Earth day, it is 1 light years, 365 days. This is 1 light year at the rate of Earth day. So this is called light years. And our galaxy is the spiral galaxy, and arm is staging like this. What is the light years? Our galaxy light year is like this. Light years 2 light year. Okay, year. So there is huge areas. We consider this ones, the 400 billion star is present there. 100 to 4 billion star. How much star is include in our Milky Ways? 100 to 400 billion. Billions means 1.4. You can say 4 into 10 to the power billion, and this is 11 stars. How much star? 4 into 10 to the power 11 plus 11 star is present in our Milky Way galaxy. Its light year is how much? 1 lakh to 2 lakh light years. So it is huge, and in this galaxy our solar system is present, and our solar system also is there, and this is the nature of physical nature or physical behavior of the Earth. So Earth is moving around the sun. Here moving around the sun, that is 16 1700. Okay, so here is 67 million miles per hour. When we change this 67,000 into 1.609 kilometer per hour, it converted into this one. Okay, 67,000 into 1.605, like this, that is 107,803. Okay, this is 0.00 kilometer per hour. This here is sun, and this is 150 million kilometer around this sun. Okay, this is the gravitation. We have to find out the gravitation area where G is 0. So we know about total, we know about the behavior of the earth in our solar system or in our physical world. So here is, you can say, consider this one, this is 108,000 kilometer per hour. You can consider this one 108,000 kilometer per hour, and its speed, is 1676 kilometer per hour. At on axis, this is on axis, west to east direction, its speed 1676 kilometer per hour. Okay, so here is kilometer per hour is moving on the axis, which produce or which makes days and night. Half of 24 hour is one day, that is called 12-hour day and 12-hour night. So total is 24 hours, and 24 hours is the earth day. 24 hours is the earth day. And according to this, the light year is how much? 1 light year equal to 9.5 into 10 to the power 15 meter. Now we calculate the value of what is the exact distance where the value of G is 0. So let fast we calculate this one. We know that this is the body and this is the earth, and this is the gap, that is called space. When two bodies present in the space, their universal gravitational constant, universal gravitational force is how much? Universal gravitational is G m1 m2 by r square. R is, what is R? Where R is the distance between two existence body, center to center. Distance between two bodies in the space with respect to center to center. Center to center of these bodies, and mass m1, mass of the first body, mass of the first body physical body, that is a physical body. It's not quantization or quantum method. Quantum method is not considered here. The general physics is studied here. So here m2 is the mass of the second body, and G, what is the G? G is the universal gravitational constant. It is constant all over the universe. This is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. So here the putting the value of this and then will be force. Now here the if earth is this body, this m1 and this is m2, this is m2 is how much mass of the earth, and this is 5.97 into 10 to the power 24 kg, and this is the mass. This is the any body which is the lighter body, it may be the 10 gram, it may be the 20 gram, it may be the 1 kg, 1000 kg, any body that is a massive body. This is not very lighter, not very lighter, that is the not there will be lighter body, should not be lighter body. There will be a something weight. This is it is free falling, just free falling. Okay, this is also free falling. This is a weight of 50, not 50, 40 gram. Okay, this is the falling downward direction, free falling. That should be the free falling. When the body is free falling, that is the universe. This is the area of gravitational field. So this is called F. G is equal to m1 into g. Okay. G, what is g? G the acceleration due to planet. Where we, if we consider this is the earth, then it will be the acceleration due to gravity is earth. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. When we combine this one, then we get this is the all this force, universal gravitational force and gravitational force, only gravitational force and universal gravitational force both are acting at the same body. So this and this will be equal. So Fg equal to Fg, and this is m1, m2 and r square, and this is m1 into g. So g m1 is cancelled, then g m2 and r square is equal to g. This is okay. This is the equation we have to find the gravitational area of the earth. Which point body is placed and pulled down toward the center of the earth. Where we place where g is equal to 0 and it is not pulled by the earth. So we have to find out this one. Okay, here suppose that earth is here and this is a point is here. This is a distance center to center r, and let's consider 901,000 mile. Okay, this is the distance. Let me consider this one. And earth, moon, how much moons? Moon is just 384,400 lakh, 3,84,400 kilometer, just kilometer. This moon is like this. Here is moon, here is moon, and its distance from the center of the earth is like this. Okay, this is 238,906, 238,906 mile, 238,906 mile per hour. When we convert it into the kilometer, then it is 238,906 into 1.609, and it will be like this. So consider this one and this one is very large difference, How much? It may be considered as when you divided this one, that will be the 3 point something. How much? 901,000 divided by like this. This is the distance between earth and moon from center to center. So this is divided 238,906 okay. How much? This is 3.77 times. this is the 3.77 times. When the distance of moon from the center of the earth, that is 238,906 miles, when multiply 3.77, then it will come this one, and this is the distance where we have to find g equal to 0 meter per second. Now we calculate, we put the value. If here is 0, pull down is acceleration due to gravity toward the earth, so that is positive. When downward, that is positive g, upward minus g. Pull down means, what is the pull downs? When the body is present inside the gravitational field, so pull down. So positive, we are taking g equal to positive, a small g is equal to positive. So we put the value. This is the equation. Here is equation like this. Okay. So this is the very important. Concentrate here. Like this. This is the acceleration due to gravity is g. We have to find out. We are considered that the gravitation. What is the gravitation? Gravitation area. If we know finally gravitation area, then we know that the gravitational force will be acting inside or outside of the area. So here is acceleration due to gravity by earth, that is g m2 and r square. What is m2? This is mass of earth, that is 5.97 into 10 to the power 24 kg, and this is small g 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. This is the distance. What is the distance? Here is distance. It is converted into 901,000 into, this is converted into 901,000 into 1.609 equal to how much? Kilometer. How much kilometer? 1.609. 144970900. Okay, 1449709. It is kilometer. This is not due to confusion. There will be confusion for you. This is 14 lakh. You can say the 14 lakh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 14 lakh 49,709 kilometer from the center of the earth. If we find the value is 0, then we consider if beyond this area there will be no any pull down by the earth. If lesser than this this direction, then it will be pulled down. So here distance, and it is calculate like this one. That is 1,4. That is called 50,000 kilometer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1.45 into 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 kilometer. Okay, now kilometer is changed. 1 kilometer is 110 meter. So it is 1.45 into 10 to the power 6 into 10 to the power 3. That is called meter. It is converted into meter in the 1.45 into 10 to the power 9 meter. This is the distance. This is the r distance. We put the value of r equal to 1.45 into 10 to the power 9 meter. Now we put the value. After putting the value, it gets the acceleration due to gravity due to earth is 0. Exact, not exact 0, but approximate equal to 0. This is 6.67 10 to the power minus 11, and this is the mass of the earth. This is mass of the earth. This is acceleration. This is the body mass. This is the mass of earth. Okay, so it is 5.97 into 10 to the power 24, and this is the area 1.45 into 10 to the power 9 into total area. Now we calculate fatafat. Just okay. Now calculate this one. this is this one and this one is calculate 6.67 into 5.97, that is called 10 to the power minus 11 into 10 to the power 24, and this is 1.45 power 2, and this is 10 to the power 9 power 2. So this is calculate this one, it is very big digit, 7 into 5.97, that is 39.8199 into 10 to the power minus 11 plus 24, that is minus 11 plus 24, and this is 1.45 2 times 1.45, and 2 times is multiplication, 1.45 is 2.1025 into this is 10 to the power 9 s square to 10 to the power 9 s squares, this is 10 to the power 18, and this is simplification this one. Now the simplification 39.8199 divided by 2.1025. okay, this one is how much? This is 18.939 into 10 to the power, this one is minus 13, and this plus 13, this is plus 13, and 18, 10 to the power 18 brought numerator part, it will be minus 18. So this is 18.939 into 10 to the power minus 5. This point is brought left side, this point is brought left side. Okay, so how much it will be? Only 5 digit. Here is minus 5, we calculate this one like this, 10 to the power plus 5, then we converted into 10 to the power 6, where we have to find out this one. So we have to, the point, this point is brought 5 after 5 digit left side. Okay, this is 0.00018, this is 5, 1 2 3 4 5 939 into 10 to the power 5 into 10 to the power minus 5. How much? 18.939. It is written like this, 0.0001839 into 10 to the power plus 5. Okay, plus 5. This digit can be written like this. We know that we are studying physics, then all the huge number is converted into exponential term. So here is the exponential term like this. So here it is the exponential term. Now we put this one. This one is how much? 10 to the power plus 5 minus 5, that is 10 to the power 0, and 10 to the power 0 is known as how much? This is 1. 0.000, this is called 2. Okay, 20 meter per square. This is the G, this is called G, and this is finally we can write here in red color. This is finally we read acceleration due to gravity on the earth 0.00 meter per second square. This is a square. Okay, this is called, we consider 3 digit. Okay, 3 digit. Okay, only 3 decimal, and this is called 0 meter per second square. This is the value, this is the value of G. If inside here, this is not exact 0, this is not exact 0. Okay, this is not exact 0, approximate equal to 0, approximate, this is called approximate equal to 0. This is called, if here is our moon is here, how much time? 3.77 times. If we taken the moon distance, then we get the value of G, and this is the area, this is the area of the earth. Here is the gravitational area. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video.